Good afternoon, ma'am.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous?
Bonjour, madame. Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, how will you say that in French? Anyone knows? How will you say that in French?
Kava.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Nice. Who answered it?
Manzima.
Manzima. Very good. Yes. So,
Ma'am, what will we say?
pardon?
Ma'am, what will we say in French? We are fine.
Yeah, ça va bien, merci.
Ma'am, what is
Ça va bien, merci.
What is that? Mercy.
Yes. So I asked question.
Mercy.
Did everyone hear the question I asked? I asked, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous means how are you in French? Okay? Comment allez-vous means how are you? So you can reply, ça va bien, merci. Yes, ça va bien means I am fine. Merci means thank you. Yes, merci means thank you. Okay, now then,
means hello.
yes, ça va means I am fine. Ça va means I am fine. Okay,
And then what is the meaning of kava? Bien.
there is no word like kava. C-A-V-A, that is ça va. Ça va bien means I am fine. Merci means thank you. If merci is thank you, then tell me, how will you say thank you, ma'am, in French?
Merci, madame.
Merci, madame.
Merci,
Yes,
madame.
right. Very good. So once again, I am going.
What will we say, sir?
What will you say for?
Sir in French.
Which word? Sir. Okay. For sir, the word is monsieur. Monsieur.
Bonjour, what does that mean?
Monsieur. Yes.
Monsieur.
Monsieur. Okay. So once again, I am going to ask you, comment allez-vous?
Kava.
Ça va bien, merci. Once again, ça va bien, merci. Okay, once again, I am going to ask you, comment allez-vous? I can see that many of you are silent there. Maria, you are not even saying. Okay, comment allez-vous? Yes, very good. Very good. So it is ça va bien, merci. Okay, yeah. So tell me, what did we learn in the previous class?
Alphabet.
We practice those alphabets, right? Yes. Till which letter? Till which letter? Yes, till letter P. Till letter P. We practiced. Okay. So today we are going to practice. Today we will practice the rest of the letters. Yes, Tanvi, no problem. We are only starting. Okay. Everyone, please keep your cameras on. Keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
What do we say Y in French?
Why?
Alphabet
Y. We are going to practice it today. We are going to practice it today. Okay. Let's see. Before that, those who have textbook, please take your textbook. Open
Page number 19.
page number 19. Take page number 19, not 18, 19. Tanvi and Jenika, please keep your cameras on. Tanvi, keep your camera on.
Page number 18.
Tanvi, keep your yes. Okay. Jenika, your camera is on.
And her camera is on.
Okay.
That's the video.
Yes. So page number 19. I am sharing my screen. Yes. Now you are going to repeat after me. Follow me. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
Q, Sorry, it's not. It's not that. Ku. Okay, I'm muting for some time. Please, everyone, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Wait and listen properly. Q. Okay. Q. It is not ku. Q. Yes. After that, air. Right. Very good. Then after that, S. Te. This letter is like this. See the pronunciation of T. Te. Te. Okay. Move to the next letter. U. Okay. Yeah, even though we are saying like E sound should be here, but not that audible. E should be here, but not that audible. It's U. After that, next one, way. When you say way, your lips should not be round. See, everyone, look at the screen. See my lips. See my lips, everyone. Way. Way. It is not way. It is not way like this. Not round lips. Way is wrong. The correct sound is way. Okay. Yes. Then next. Yes.
When we pronounce way,
Yes.
our teeth should touch the
Lips.
touch
Yes.
our
Lower
lips.
lips. See, like this.
Lower lips.
Yes.
Then
Way.
when we are about to pronounce, we let it go.
Yes. Right. Way. Okay. Very good. Then after that, next one. X. X. Sorry, I missed that one. Sorry, I missed that one. Okay, so for W it is W. Okay, good. Then X. Okay, good. Then after that, Y. Okay. Then after that, Z. Not D. It is not. Please mute everyone. It is not the sound. The sound. This one. Okay. Z. Yes. Okay. So once again, starting from the beginning. Q. A. S. T. U. V. Z. I hope now everyone got the sounds properly.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Riza, I can hear you. Okay, Aditya, please on your camera. Zenika, on your camera. Yes. Now, Nainika, on your camera. Then now, I'm going to call you according to your roll number wise. Okay. So the first person is Adidev Anil Kumar. Others, please mute. Others, please mute. Wait. Mute all. Yes. Yes, Adidev, you can read. Unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Q.
Not Q. Q. Yes. Air. Right.
S. T. U.
Right.
A.
Right.
W
Yes.
X
Right.
Y
Hmm.
Z.
Yes. Very good, Adidev. Next is Aryan. Aryan.
Absent, ma'am.
Absent.
Absent
Okay. Okay.
always.
Okay. Then he's absent always.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Yes,
He's not there in the school.
All the classes are different. But
Okay.
he
Okay. 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 Then next is Aditi.
yes, ma'am.
Read.
Q
Hmm.
L
Hmm.
S
Yes. You can continue reading.
T U V W X Y Z.
Very good. Then next is Ashwell. Ashwell. Ashwell is present. Ashwell, absent. Okay, then absent. Next is Avantika. Avantika, yes, read.
Q
Hmm?
M
Hmm?
S
Hmm?
T
Right.
U
Hmm?
V
Right.
W
Hmm?
X
Hmm?
Y
Hmm?
Z.
Very good, Avantika. Then next is Sarah.
Okay, ma'am.
Sarah, yes, read.
Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good, very good. Next is Devarsh. Devarsh,
Q
yes,
R
continue. Hmm?
S T
Hmm?
U
Hmm?
V W
Right.
X
Hmm?
Y
Hmm?
Z.
Very good, Devarsh. Then next is Dhanvin. Dhanvin.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
read.
Q
Hmm?
R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good, Dhanvin. Next is Dia. Dia.
Q
Q.
Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good. Next is Felix. Felix. Yes, read. Yes, Felix, read.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a network issue.
You have a network issue. Okay, fine. I got it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Felix absent.
Felix is absent. Okay, okay, thank you. Then next is Glenn. Glenn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Glenn, please read.
Q R
Continue. Yes.
S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good. Yes. Okay, Glenn, very good. Next is Hyra. Hyra. Hyra is absent. Okay. Then next is Hrithvi.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, Rice.
Hyra, please read.
She's her video is on.
Okay, Hyra.
Ma'am, her mic is not working.
Okay.
Ma'am, always have a
May I
mic.
know Hyra's ID? Is it Jenica Domino? I know. Okay, Hyra, I can see you now. Yes. Okay, her audio is not connected. Okay. Then next is Hrithvi.
Yes,
Hrithvi.
ma'am.
Yes, Hrithvi, please read.
Q L S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good, Hrudvi. Next is Izan. Izan. Izan.
Ma'am, absent.
Absent. Okay. Why so many absentees? Then next is Janvi. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi, please read.
Q
Yes.
R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good, Janvi. Then next is Jenika.
Yes,
Jenika. Read.
Ma'am, it's a Ma'am, I can't see the board. I was having network issue.
You are having network issue. I am having network issue. Okay. So, Jenika, do you have textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Open page number 19. Take page number 19. She got disconnected. Next person is Juan. Juan. Yes, read. Q. Mm. S. S. Mm. 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 Yes. Mm. Yes. Very good, Juan. Then next is Kirtana. Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read.
Q R S T E V W X Y Z.
Very good, Kirtana. Next is Manjima. M. Manjima. Yes.
Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good. Then next is Manas. 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 Absent. Okay. Then next is Manav. Manav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manav, read.
Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Very good, Manav. Next is Maria. Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Maria, please read.
Q
Hmm?
R
Right.
S
Hmm?
T
Hmm?
U
Hmm?
V
Right. Read.
W
W.
W
Hmm?
X Y Z.
Very good. Next is Mayuk. Mayuk. Yes, read.
Q
Continue. Hmm?
S
S, right.
V
Hmm?
Y
Hmm?
Z.
Very good. Then next is Nainika. 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 I think she is present. Nainika. Yes, Nainika. That is Adidev Anil Kumar, right? Nainika, are you present?
Ma'am, she is absent.
Okay. Then next is
Ma'am, but in the starting of the class,
yeah, I think she is having network issue. Then next is Navaneet Krishna. Navaneet Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read. Today, no, because it's raining heavily
Q
today. That is why many of them are having network issues.
R
Yes, read.
S
Hmm?
T
Hmm?
U V W
W.
W
Yes.
X
Then,
Y
right.
Z.
Very good. Yes. Then next is Naznia. Nias. Naznia Nias. Naznia.
Ma'am, absent.
Absent. Okay. For the last class also, I think she was absent. French class. Yes. Next is Niranjan. Niranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read.
Yes, ma'am. Q
Q.
R
Q.
Q
Mm,
Q
right.
R
Right.
S
Mm,
T
mm,
U
mm,
V W
mm.
X Y Z.
Very good. Next is Ojas.
Ma'am,
Yes.
absent.
Absent. Okay. Then next is Parvati. Parvati. Parvati is absent.
Absent.
Then next is Riza. Riza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read.
Q
Mm,
R
mm,
S
mm.
T
Right.
U
Right.
V
Mm,
W
right.
X
X.
X
Mm,
agrees
Y.
Y
Y.
Y
Mm.
Z.
Very good. Next is I can see here Ashwal. 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 Can you read? I think Ashwal is having network issue. I think Ashwal is having network issue. Ashwal, can you read? No. Okay. Then next is I can see here Manav. I think Manav. He already read. Okay. Then Riza is absent. Riza Abdul. Riza.
Ma'am, she
Ma'am, I read now.
Okay. We read now. Okay. Rudra. Rudra. Yes. Read.
Q
Q.
Q
Mm,
R
right.
S
Mm,
T
Te.
T
Yes. Wait. Please wait. See how will you read this one?
T
Right. The same pronunciation. Same sound. Yes. Continue.
T
Mm,
U
mm,
V
mm,
W
right.
X
Mm,
Y
Y. Y.
Y
Then.
Z.
Very good. Then next is Ryan. 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 Absent. Then next is
Absent.
Siddhi. Siddhi. Yes. Read.
Q
Mm,
R
right.
S
Mm,
T
mm,
U
mm,
V
right.
W
Right.
X
Mm,
Y
right.
Z.
Z. Okay. Then Z. Okay. It is not Z. Z. Next is Srihari. Srihari. Yes. Read.
Q
Mm,
R
mm,
S
right.
S
Right.
T
Mm,
U V
mm,
W
mm,
X Y
mm.
Z.
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 Right. Okay. Then
Can
next
I
is
ask it out?
yes.
Ma'am, for Y, how will we say
Y.
egress
Y.
or egress?
Not sir. Y.
Y.
Yes. Y.
Okay.
Not sir sound. Cur sound. Then next is Tanvi. Tanvi, did you read now?
I'm going to read.
Yeah. Read.
Q
Yes.
A S A U V W X Y Z.
Very good, Tanvi. The next is Unnimaya.
I'm absent.
Absent. Okay. Is there anyone else to read? Anyone else to read?
Ashwin
I'm Zinika. She's there now.
and she's connected to the
Who else is there?
Ma'am, Jenika.
Zenika?
I'm Ashwell.
Jenika? Can you read now? I think they are having network issues today, so that is why. Wait, Jenika. Okay, so we finished with the alphabets. Next one. Okay, the next we are moving to the accents. We are moving to the accents. We have 5 accents in French. Okay, 5 accents. When you see now also in the words, you can see there are accent like symbols like this. On top of letter E, you can see like this, or like this you can see symbols.
G also.
Yeah, so these are symbols are called accents in French. These symbols are called accents in French. Accents. Les accents. Les accents. You don't have to write anything. Listen. Les accents. That is accents. So the first accent is accent aigu. Laxo aigu. Laxo aigu. Yes, for that you will be able to see, you can see an accent like this on top of E. You can see this accent on top of E. Letter E, you will be able to see this symbol. Okay, laxo aigu, and it gives the sound A. You see that it gives the sound A. A. Okay, it gives the sound A. A. Example, one word is given here. Ate. Ate. One example is given here. See? Ate. Ate. Ate means, yes, ate in French is summer. Ate in summer is summer. Ate. So this is axo aigu. The name of this accent is axo aigu. Now, next one. And you can only see this accent on top of letter E. Okay, on top of letter E. Found on letter E. Only with letter E, you will be able to see this axo aigu. Then next accent we have is axograph. Axograph, this one. Laxograph. And this accent is opposite to axo aigu. This accent is opposite to axo aigu sound. Okay, and it gives the sound It gives the sound Mare. Not wait, listen. Not proper little bit a touch is also there. Mare. Mare. Example is given here. See? Mare.
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 See, they have given mare. Okay, and you will be able to see, you can see these letters, these symbols on top of A, E and U. You can see this on top of A, E and U. Okay, Y. Y. You learned Y, right? Then Z. Z. Y. Z. No, eighth is different. Listen, eighth accent is different and axograph is different. Both are different. This first one is axo aigu. Okay, first one is axo aigu and the symbol is this. Symbol is this one. You can see on top of letter E. Eighte. A sound. A sound. Say they have given in the bracket A and Y. A and Y, A sound. Then when you come to the next one, it is axograph and the symbol is opposite to axo aigu. It will be opposite to axo aigu and it gives the sound Okay, and see, I will give one example. It is given here, mare. Mare. Mare means mother. Mare means mother. Yes? Mother. Mare means mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Okay, and you can see these letters on top of, you can see this symbol on top of A, E and U. A, E, and U, you will be able to see this accent. Okay, so you are learning only these two letters today. Sorry, these two accents today. The rest of the three accents we are going to see in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am, what is the
Okay,
first accent called?
Accent. First one is axo ague. First
Axo
one is
Axo
axo
ague.
ague. Second one
Axo
axograph.
Action
So
grab.
grab.
Listen, it is not
Axograph.
accent. In French, it is axon. Axon.
Axo.
Yes.
So.
Yes.
Ma'am, what's the
Axograph.
Listen properly.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what's the
Wait.
meaning of
I am
Read the
muting
snack.
everyone. Please, I am muting everyone. Yes. Now, see here. I am sharing. So the first accent. So the first accent is axo au, and one word for example is ete, means summer. You will be able to see this accent on top of letter E. Then next one is axograph. Example is mare. It gives the sound and you can see this symbol on top of A, E, and U. A, E, and U. Okay, sound will come. When you find this symbol, the sound will be Okay, and mare meaning is mother. Mare meaning is mother. Now I hope everyone got this. And now I hope everyone get the meaning. Yes? Understood? In detail, we'll see this accent in the next class. Accents we'll discuss more in the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. We'll see in the next class. Au revoir.
Bye,
Au revoir. Say au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir is goodbye. Okay? Au revoir. Au revoir.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Au revoir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bienvenue.